Hi, I'm Corinne Wallenda with Perlick. Our new lineup of top-shelf bartender prep sinks now have an optional flex mount leg relocation kit, ideal for working around floor sinks or other mechanicals. With this kit, the equipment legs can be shifted forward or backward without any tools. Here's how it works. Set the equipment on its side or back, unscrew the existing legs, position the flex mount bracket over the existing leg attachment holes, thread one leg into the bracket, securing the bracket to the equipment. Thread the bolt with the black plastic mounting nut into the original leg attachment hole. Thread the remaining leg into the relocation attachment hole, and repeat this process for the remaining legs. Once the unit is upright, be sure to level the unit by adjusting the billet feet by hand. For more information, please visit our website at perlick.com. Cheers!